sure.
Yeah, take it out of the holder and hold it. He's either hung himself. Yeah, ease it out where you can feel it. There you go. Feeling it all?
Felt it bounce once so far.
Pull back on it just a little bit just to see. Feel it?
Yeah, he's still out. I think he found it.
Hold it stout and reel it about 6 or 8 times real fast. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Probably gonna be a flat. There you go. Get it on there.
Yeah,
All right. Spawn.
Yeah.
All right. I'm not gonna get the. Yeah, guys. This will be the first one we've got today. Fishing with Anthony with Yak Shore Outdoors. Guys, he's a good friend of mine, but I'm horrible at remembering names. It's the second time we've actually fished together. All right, you'll bring him up. I'm gonna let it come around the right. Bring down. There you go. I'm gonna have to take Oh, did he come?
Channel cat.
Got it? You got a channel cat. First fish today was a channel cat. Eddie, come off. That's all right.
Quick release.
Quick release. He got it. That's all right. Hey, it was a fish.
It was definitely a fish.
That's all right. You know what I think?
Yep.
I got one.
Nice.
Fish on, guys. Yeah, you got one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And I don't know what size he is, but he's a fish. We're just drifting. We went from anchoring up to drifting. Down here at Moxie Bend. Got one of them. I don't think it's big. Blue.
Need a net or you good? Sweet.
Yes, sir.
Nice little fat fillet.
Yep. If I was keeping them, that'd be the one I'd keep.
Yep.
A friend of mine told me about coming down here. And seemed to pay off, guys. We've been drifting, what, maybe 5 minutes?
If that. Man, it's a pretty blue. You got a ton of purple on them.
Yeah. I curled the hook. That's a pretty good little boy. Say 5 pound craw?
Oh yeah.
5 pound blue. We got Anthony up on front of the boat with me. He actually had a bite a while ago, but we're gonna do it again.
Got one.
Good job. Thank you too.
Sweet.
Oh, that's a better one there, guys.
Ooh, double up.
Yeah, double up, guys. This is the spot right here. I wasn't realizing it was as big as it was. I'm just gonna let it float down through here.
Yeah, mine's a little one.
Mine's not. Blue.
Yours is or mine
No,
is?
yours is. Oh, this is at least a blue. You'll have to get the net on this one if you can set that one down, I think.
Okay, you get him close to the top, you think?
He's coming up, yeah. This ain't no 2 pound tool.
Blue cat, guys. Another eater size, but we're not keeping them today.
Good job, bud. Get the net. Oh yeah, this is a good one, guys. blue
wow.
cat, guys. Look at this one. Told you it was a good one, didn't I?
Yes, you did, especially on chicken. Oops, sorry.
All right, guys. Now that's the one we was chasing right there. Woo. Chicken, chicken,
Chicken.
chicken. Guys, we hit a deep hole right here. And man, we got doubles real quick. Like there's the pliers are right back there. No. The yellow things. Look on the bar down there. There you go, fish strippers. You can use them pliers too. I was just talking.
Yeah.
Well, I had to drag way too tight on this thing. Once I felt it, I had to loosen it up some.
You swallowed it?
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we'll cut it loose. Yeah, let me cut it loose.
Guys, I'm gonna cut this one loose just because of where it's caught at. Yeah. Man. Well, that's a nice fish.
That's a really nice fish.
That's my PB on chicken, guys, right there. Turn this back up a little bit. Guys, who says drifting chicken you only catch little bitty eater size? Let's weigh him out, see what he weighs. Ow, sorry.
You good?
He's making me pay to catch him. Thought we'd pay admission as long as we fish today, didn't you? Obviously.
You don't think so? $22, $23.
23? I said 23. Every time it,
Yeah.
you have a tail rest on the
Oh, well, hang on. Let's read it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. 20, 24,
24. Guys, I didn't realize his tail was hanging cooler. Could you take a picture right quick of it?
Let me get my phone out. Actually, you're watching the sun. Huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to go here. Let's turn this thing around.
Yeah,
Woo.
anyway.
I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's fine. You got you want to turn yours on to get the release or on your head or?
It's on my head. I got the one on my head around already.
All right, guys, we're going to release this one for somebody else to catch another day.
Daryl with a 24 pounder. That's awesome, man.
I think he's ready to go.
That's awesome.
See you, my
Awesome.
friend.
Awesome stuff, man.
Whew.
They work good.
Well, if they go out, you got an electric hookup. I got a converter here I can plug into my cigarette lighter, run a drop cord if my battery goes dead.
Right.
Oh, why you want to do that?
I don't know what came by to make that wave. Must be that big boat down there.
Big boat way down there.
I do believe. Well, maybe not. I don't know if we move closer or not. I don't think.
Nah, it'll go back because we're on. Yeah, okay. The lines don't get looser. Holy smokes.
Yeah, we're definitely closer.
Yeah, we've come off of the.
I wonder if it'll catch again.
I doubt it.
Alright.
Better reel them in.
Get the ones on the barges first.
It's stuck again?
It's got some hot.
Oh. Wrap it around, we'll pull it if we need to.
Come on, I take some stuff in this. Maybe got mud in it.
You're undecided, ain't you? See what happens then. Well, actually, we'll go out toward the deep water and see if it'll come off then. Still heavy, ain't it?
Yep.
You need me to come up here and help you?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
God,
Sorry. Yep.
How long is it? right with it.
I need it.
It's gonna be big. Oh, that's fine. It ain't your fault. I don't know what to do.
I don't either. I'll just throw it. Get the anchor. I'm losing it.
Oh, sorry. Oh, big foot.
Let's go.
I didn't realize it was floating. Did you?
Nope.
I looked around. I was like, holy shit. That ain't good. It didn't break nothing.
Good.
Dang, Tony. Oh, what you thinking?
What I was thinking.
Well, I gotta blame somebody. I can't blame myself.